Federal agents hopping out of a moving truck and storming a Home Depot in the Westlake District. KCAL News reporter Luzdelia Caballero is there live tonight. And Luzdelia, the feds are calling this operation Trojan Horse.
That's right. They arrested 16 people. It was quick. The Department of Homeland Security tells us that they detained people from Mexico, Nicaragua, Honduras, and Guatemala. And now there's a protest, a peaceful protest that underway here in Westlake, just feet away from the Home Depot where this all happened. We want to show you how many people are here. We counted at least 100 people more expected to come as community leaders and residents speak out against what just happened this morning.
Damn, bro, they got raided right now.
Cell phone video taken by a witness capturing the moment people were arrested by Border Patrol. The Department of Homeland Security confirming 16 people were taken in what they're calling Operation Trojan Horse.
Look at this, just right now.
State Assembly member Mark Gonzalez shares what witnesses told him.
A Penske truck rolled up and was telling folks that they were looking for 10 hard workers. And as day laborers gathered up, they took advantage of that opportunity and they rolled up the truck, and ICE just started popping out and trying to gather as many individuals as they could.
A judge has ordered a stop to indiscriminate sweeps, but acting U.S. Attorney Bill Asaley says the raid was constitutional.
But these operations are happening almost daily, and they have not stopped.
Asaley says Border Patrol was there because the notorious MS-13 gang has a hold on the area, which needs to be addressed. Federal officials made similar claims last month when about 100 agents amassed and then swept through MacArthur Park. And based on what witnesses have told us and video we've seen, this appears as though it might be a violation of the judge's order. What can you tell us to make us understand that this isn't a violation?
The court order doesn't say we cannot conduct operations out of a Penske truck or at a Home Depot. It says we have to have reasonable suspicion. Border Patrol does not need a warrant to conduct detentions. They do not. So when people yell out warrants, this is just nonsense. They don't even need probable cause.
So what his description of federal law, I would say, is lawlessness.
Mayor Karen Bass holding firm to her stance that the city of Los Angeles will not stand for raids in a sanctuary city.
What do I say to Bill Asaley? I say that we are going to stand strong, that we are going to continue to resist, and that we are not going to accept this situation, which was why we had a court decision and a temporary restraining order, and now that needs to be enforced.
Penske Truck Rental issued a statement saying it strictly prohibits the transportation of people in the cargo area of its trucks and confirmed it had not authorized their use in this operation.
This is something that is not acceptable, and we are not going to stand for it in Los Angeles.
And that message echoed here at this peaceful protest. They are saying they want ICE out of LA. We've talked to so many community leaders and community members here. One of those community leaders, council member Eunices Hernandez, she tells us that people have come up to her today, and we've witnessed that, saying, hey, you know what, I'm undocumented, seeing that people here outside of Home Depot were just taken. What do I do? I mean, my kids are about to go to school. I haven't been able to work. And this is when community leaders say is the time to stay united. And this peaceful protest is testament of just that. You know, a group of people getting together, sharing resources at a time where many here that we're talking to say they are living in fear at a time of uncertainty. Reporting in Westlake, Luzdelia Caballero, KCAL News.
Luzdelia, thank you.